Hello, sixth graders, and happy Tuesday. I'm really excited for our first day of social studies work here on Schoology. Just want to point out a couple of things as you go to get started for our social studies class. Remember, when you go to social studies, you're going to click on the social studies tab with this picture of the Sphinx. After you've done that, you should see a blue week 1 folder inside of your course homepage. You're going to access that folder. Inside of that folder, there are going to be subfolders for each day of this week coming up. Of course, we had off school on Monday, so there is no folder for Monday. And then the first folder you're going to access is Tuesday, September 8th. Inside of the Tuesday, September 8th folder, you're going to see the first assignment that says Getting to Know You document. This is going to be a very important document as you're going to fill out a little bit of information that is going to help me get to know you a little bit better. This is also going to be an important document because it is the pre-planning for our first project, which I am going to explain a little bit later in this video, but more importantly in class on Wednesday. So I'm going to ask that you complete the Getting to Know You document. Remember, when you're opening up assignments, to click on the assignment and then edit the assignment inside of the document, and then you will submit that document to me. The second thing, as soon as you're done with the Getting to Know You document, you're going to click on the discussion post that is dated Tuesday, September 8th. Again, this is a very simple question. This is supposed to be a little bit stress-free and a way for me to get to know you, as well as you to start to get to know me as your teacher. The question says, if you got to choose to do whatever you wanted to do for an entire day, 24 hours, what would you do? Explain why you would do those things. Feel free to write as much detail as you want. This will help everybody in the class get to know you. Feel free to comment and like on your classmates' posts respectfully. So we're going to go down to the bottom. When you go to write your comment, you will type it in the box beside your name. So you will type it in. You can see here that I did an example post here. I'm not going to read it word for word. Talked about going to IHOP, going to a big breakfast, going to a baseball game, talking about my favorite team, taking as many friends as possible. When you go to type yours in, you will click post. You are more than welcome, as the posts start coming in for your class, you are more than welcome to like other people's posts just by hitting the like button. And you are more than welcome to respectfully reply to your classmates' discussions. All that I need for you to do is make one post on Tuesday the 8th, and that will satisfy what I'm asking you to do for the class. So again, one post. If you want to comment or like other people's posts in your class, you are more than welcome to do that. So the expectation for Tuesday, September 8th, once again, is the Getting to Know You document and posting in the discussion post. I also have included the virtual course syllabus, which I added this past weekend. This is just a little bit of information for your parents. If you want to take a look at it, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to go through that document as we get to know each other throughout the year. There's one other thing I want to talk about very quickly on this video as it pertains for Tuesday moving into Wednesday. Wednesday's class will be our live Google Meets class. So if you click inside the orange Wednesday, September 9th folder that says Live Day, and you click on Google Meets codes from Mr. Bush, you can see I have all of the codes for your particular classes. So on Wednesday, if you have me for period 2 social studies at 8:26 a.m., you're going to log in to Google Meets using this code. Our classes will be no more than 40 minutes, probably a little bit shorter than that. If you have me for period 7, 12:26 p.m., and it's pretty self-explanatory going through your schedule. Please make sure that you are making your best attempt to attend these classes on time, because I do teach 6 classes on Wednesday. So I need to be pretty quick and efficient with our time. That way you get all the information and I can move on to my next class. So that will be for Wednesday. You will log in. And on Wednesday live, we will begin talking about your first project, which is you are going to create a flag that is personal to you. I don't want to get into too many other details because I want you to focus in again on the work for Tuesday, the Getting to Know You document, and the discussion post. So that's what I'm going to ask you to do for today, Tuesday, September 8th. On Wednesday, September 9th, I will meet you in Google Meets. We will hold our live class online for the first time this year for social studies, and we will get started with the creating your own flag project. Once again, if you have any questions about any of these things, you can visit the homepage. I've included the codes, the syllabus, the introductory screencast, which I posted over the weekend. All of that information is going to be right there. If you're still confused at what you should be doing, or you don't know exactly where to go for something, please shoot me an email. I will be happy to answer it. And I hope you have a great Tuesday. See ya.